Hey there everyone, just a little impromptu video here. I just had the Dark Angels Combat Patrol arrive today. Pretty happy about it, pretty excited. I thought I'd get it before the prices went up a bit, so yeah, I did a little panic buy. But like I'd always planned to get this, so I don't feel too bad. But it's just not what I expected to. So this comes with 5 intercessors, chaplain, 3 inceptors, awesome redemptor dreadnought, and also has 2 Dark Angels Primaris upgrade sets. There are bits off there that I would use, like just like probably the sword here and maybe some little of the trinkets, but I don't want to use the shoulders. All right, well, my brother's dog won't stop barking. Hopefully you won't be able to hear it. On a sadder note, we had to say goodbye to our dog yesterday. She was 17 years old, West Highland Terrier, and she was best dog ever. And my brother's dog is not the best dog ever. Anyways, let's just open this up there. Thought I'd go old school and actually do the wrapping on camera. There you can see that the side is just a bit of the cover art. All right, now let's hope everything inside is okay. Let's just open that. It's got a nice pull-out tray. There we go. The Combat Patrol Dark Angels book. I'll just quickly flip through it for anyone that's curious. You got a couple different options for the way you build these. These are actually my first inceptors, so that's cool. And this is my first redemptor dreadnought. It's very exciting. I just learned that Imperium magazine added 10 extra issues. I hope that comes to North America because they have some pretty awesome models. One of them is redemptor dreadnought, so I'll have 2. You know, pretty cool. Okay. So let's see, we got bases. So these will be for the intercessors. This will be for the inceptors and the chaplain. The flying stands for the inceptors. So here we have 2 of these upgrade sprues for the Dark Angels. Need to take off my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. So we got a couple different heads. This one has like the sword on the forehead, so it's kind of distinctly Dark Angel. This book has part of the Dark Angel symbol. I have a feeling I'm going to have to just get rid of all this because of the barking, but hey. So yeah, most of this is pretty Dark Angel specific. This maybe doesn't have like the sword symbol. The sword here is thankfully Sorry, had someone at my door. So yeah, I was looking through this. A lot of it is pretty Dark Angel specific, so I may just not use these at all and maybe try and sell or trade them if I don't do Dark Angels. Dark Angels is still a possibility. It's probably either Dark Angels or a successor chapter of my own making. Anyways, here is the chaplain. That's, what is it, like a subjugator or something? Condemner pistol. His Crozius just has a little skull on the top of it. It's kind of a minimalist one. But otherwise, cool details. This will put me at 2 chaplains, I guess. 3 if you count the, what was it called? The one that had the sword in Indomitus. Anyways, that one plus the other chaplain that came in Indomitus, and now this one. Skeletor. Sorry about that. And now here's one of the Dreadnought sprues. It's bigger than I thought it would be. It's cool. Let's get the big plasma cannon. This looks like a big bolter gun, I guess. Big Gatling cannon. I know it has a Gatling. This is the. So maybe that's all part of that. Some purity seals. Okay, this is also the Dreadnought. So lots of armor plates and joints, pipes. We got a foot. There's the power pack on the back and the part of the sarcophagus inside. And it's cool because it's got the little like lid you can flip up to see the sarcophagus. So now these will be the Inceptors, because big chunky Gravis boots with rockets. And they can be built as plasma or as bolters. I believe I will go for the plasma. That wasn't loud. We got some big Gravis heads there. Okay, and then we just got the sprue for 5 of the intercessors. I've looked at these before. It's got the different parts you can put in the gun in the slot there. So you can choose different loadouts for the gun. There's 3 in total, I believe. And there's one where you can have for the sergeant where he's got it slung over his shoulder. One of them can have a grenade launcher. I'm pretty sure this is the grenade launcher one. Maybe not. Actually, probably not, because it's got this strap hanging down, so I doubt it is. Here's the grenade launcher one right here. Pretty cool. Oh, and this came with a big sheet of transfers, not like small ones. How did this fit in the? It must have been a big box for the Dark Angel kit. Oh, there she is barking again. So I'll wrap this up soon. Pretty cool if you want to have like some red badges going on. And big old base for the Dreadnought. So yeah, it's a quick look at the Combat Patrol for the Dark Angels. Sorry about all the noises and interruptions. I'll look this over and see if it's usable. If you're watching this, then I guess I decided it was. Anyways, hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions, ask away. Any comments, just leave them below. Thank you for watching. Bye.